Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court stenographer exam. Ready? Start. In the midst of the political cacophony that surrounded the national movement, there arose a call for deep introspection among the people of India. Full stop. Leaders urged citizens to realize that Swaraj was not merely a slogan but a moral duty. Full stop. The masses were often agonized by the oppressive policies of the colonial government, yet their sensitiveness to injustice gave them the strength to fight. Full stop. When the cries of freedom pierced through the silence of fear, the spinning of the spinning wheel became not just an economic tool but also a symbol of resistance. Full stop. The excitement of the people was visible in every village and every town, and by means of the constructive programs of the Congress, the spirit of unity was nurtured. Full stop. Although some remained skeptical about the unity possibility of independence, the idea of liberty had already penetrated deep into the national consciousness. Full stop. The stimulation of young minds through speeches, writings, and constructive activities created a new wave of energy. Full stop. At the same time, great leaders emphasized humility, teaching that true freedom could not be achieved without self control. Full stop. Every venture undertaken during that period was inspired by faith in an omnipotent force of justice and guided by the omniscient wisdom of spiritual ideals. Full stop. The laborious efforts of workers, peasants, and students combined with the guidance of leaders, created an unstoppable movement. Full stop. An article published in newspapers about Mahatma Gandhi often inspired thousands to join the cause. Full stop. Heretofore, the people had remained silent, but now they spoke in one voice. Full stop. The concept of an undimensional life limited only to personal gain was rejected, and instead the value of collective usefulness was embraced. Full stop. Every village meeting was electrifying. Every speech in the cities drew crowds. In trenches and trenches of humanity gathered to listen. Full stop. Even when violent conflicts erupted and groups like the Maoists tried to push their ideology, the mainstream movement remained non-violent. Full stop. Paradoxically, the more the rulers suppressed dissent, the stronger the determination became. Full stop. Some critics issued disparaging remarks mocking the simplicity of khadi or the spinning wheel, but such attempts at ridicule only strengthened the resolve of the people. Full stop. The great Andolan that swept across the country was not only political but also moral and cultural. Full stop. Leaders reminded everyone that true freedom meant service to all living beings, including the protection of GVs, whether human or animal. Full stop. In conclusion, the history of the Indian freedom struggle is not just a story of battles but a journey of spirit, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी एडिटोरियल पैसे था नियर अबाउट 80 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस।